Hey everybody, it's Toey. I am back with sort of a weird video today. It has nothing to do with gaming, but it does have to do with snack food. And snack food goes together pretty well with gaming, so I'm going to go ahead and put this up on my Twitch channel, and I hope you like it. What this is an unboxing video for a product called BOKKSU. And BOKKSU is a snack food delivery system, and some good friends of mine sent me this as a New Year's gift, and they wanted me to do an unboxing video to let you know what I thought of it. Everything in this box is snack food from Japan, so we are going to open it up and see what's in here. Oh good. Luckily, there's a cheat sheet, because I used to be able to kind of get by in Japanese, and I was able to read a lot of things, but I quit studying a long time ago and all that knowledge is gone, so I would mangle it terribly if I tried to read these packages. So I am going to rely on the table of contents here. Let's see what we've got. Okay, this looks like some kind of puffy fish cracker. Let's see if that's right. A sweet puffy snack, like little clouds that dissolve in your mouth. Okay, I'll take your word for that one. This looks more my speed. This looks like some kind of a candy bar type thing. Let's see what it is. This is a traditional Japanese confection with a nutty flavor, a type of flattened mochi. Dun 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 dun. Inspired by a folk tale about a boy who was born out of a peach. So I'm thinking this is some kind of fruity oaty nutty bar. Let's go with that. Oh, this I'll like. This looks like a little fruit tart. I can see through the package. It's like a cookie with some fruit in the middle. And you know what? I'm totally wrong. This is actually a spicy shrimp thing, so another fishy thing masquerading as a cookie to trick me. That's pretty sneaky. Alright, let's go for a white package this time. This feels like a chocolate. Let's see, I'm hoping it's like a chocolate truffle. Where is it? I can't find it. Yes, it is. It's a white chocolate. I think we have a winner. I'm going to like that one for sure. Next, we've got a rather large package. And this is what? This is... oh, an assortment of crackers. An assortment of rice crackers. That should be pretty good. I like rice crackers. Especially if they're kind of spicy, like wasabi. And here we go. These are the little strawberry tartlets. So I do have some sweet stuff in here. And there's a bunch of those. Then we have the giant fish. What is that? This is, oh, this is also chocolate. Oh, I'm happy about that. Little chocolate shaped like fish. Very cool. And continuing the fishy theme here. These remind me of like goldfish crackers. They've got a little whale on them with some yellow fishies swimming around him. And let's see if that's exactly what that is. Yep, little fish crackers with a salty flavor, it says. Man, another fish. They really like fish, don't they? I think as far as package design goes, this is the most attractive one so far. I like the big rising sun in the back and the fish with the fan. And it is the Red Snapper Cracker. Puffed crackers, balanced by a light sweetness. that sounds good. Getting to the bottom of the box here. And we have some tea. I know tea when I see it. What flavor tea is this? This is Hoshu tea. Premium tea, blah, blah, blah. And some pretentious text about harmony of flavor. Okay, I'm not a big tea drinker. I'm really a coffee person. But you know what? I'll give it a try, see if I like it. And that is it for the first unboxing of a BOKKSU. I think I have 2 more of these coming if my friends told me right. So you can kind of see the size of the box. And this came from Osaka, Japan. So if you would like to guess which one of those treats I'm going to like the best, you can predict on Twitter or leave me a comment on my Twitch channel. And when I stream next, which will be tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock, I will let you know which one tasted the best. See you soon on my channel. Bye.